Good morning, it's veggies for breakfast. I've got a bunch of random mushrooms in my fridge and just gonna water saute these. There's no oil. I'm gonna let them soften a bit. There we go. And I've got some some broccoli here that I've already chopped up. I'm gonna add that in. I've got some Trader Joe's unami seasoning. Put that in. I've also got a little bit of cheese sauce. I'll post a link for that. It's vegan cheese sauce, and I make it in the Instant Pot. I just love it. This is 2 points. Then I've got my oats here. I'm using the large flake oats. It's like your Quaker oats, old-fashioned. I'm going to soften my broccoli here. I like it al dente. And in my oats, this is also 2 points, so this comes in as a 4-point breakfast. Mix this all up. I love having my veggies for breakfast because I get lots of my servings of vegetables. Plus, it's also really filling versus you would have to have an awful lot of fruit, I think. I'm more of a savory person. Okay, that's that. And I've got some cherry tomatoes I chopped up. And there you have it, veggies for breakfast. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.